Ambassador has mentioned, India and Slovenia enjoy warm and friendly relations based on mutual respect, shared democratic values, and common commitment to multilateralism. Our bilateral relations have been strengthened by regular high-level exchanges. The historic state visit of the Honorable President of India to Slovenia in 2019 and the visit of the External Affairs Minister in 2021 has contributed immensely in building our relationship. India and Slovenia also share the common resolve in the fight against terrorism. We deeply appreciate Slovenia's strong condemnation of terrorist attack in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir in India in April 2025 and its resolute stand on opposition to terrorism in any and every form. India has zero tolerance towards terrorism. That message was made clear and loud in Operation Sindoor. We thank our friends in Slovenia for their support in our fight against global terrorism and cross-border terrorism.